Does age play an important role in investments? To help you answer this, we have our financial expert Mr. Hariharan with us. Hariharan, over to you.
So when you talk of risk profiling, in fact, the risk profiler itself has age as one of the question. So in fact, the second question was the age group that you belong to. So age is built in as part of the risk profiler risk assessment. So individually, apart from that, I don't think it is important to look at the age. It is important to look at the tenor of investment. That is important. So for example, I know somebody in Mumbai who is my relative, who is 80 plus, but aggressive investor, does not need money at all, is invested for his grandchildren, doing SIPs. So if you just look at age, it could be misleading. I also know somebody who is very young, working in my office, maybe 30, 32 years old, good macho personality, 6 feet tall, good handsome personality. Looking at him, one might say is very aggressive, but when it comes to investment, this profiler says is moderate in nature. So it could be very misleading, and therefore this profiler is the most scientific approach to identifying what category you belong to.
Thanks for your detailed answer.
If you have any doubt regarding this or any other financial or investment decision, don't hesitate to book an appointment with our financial expert. The link to the appointment is given in the description below. And also, would you like to know more about finance and investment? Then we would recommend you to attend our live webinar. The link to the webinar is also given in the description below. The webinar is absolutely free. If you like this video, hit like, and if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe.